What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Willy Bobo life. And today is actually just a kind of a sorry for having some really weird looking footage in this video. But I ended up shooting some footage quite a few months later after we did the original footage. I lost some footage, which is why I had to shoot the footage I did later, which is the very end of the video. But all in all, the project turned out really good, and I hope you guys are excited to do this DIY tire life flower pot hack thing that's going on. And if you are, please give me a thumbs up down below, and also ask whatever questions you want about it, like where you could possibly find tires in your area. Maybe I could help you find them, like do some research, and like where else you can buy your favorite colors of spray paint. I do know for a fact that the spray paint we did use on the tires can be found at Lowe's, Home Depot, or even Walmart for relatively cheap. So with all that said, though, I hope you guys really do enjoy this DIY life hack, making your own flower pot video. And with all that said, let's cut to the video. You recording?
Yes.
Right. What's up, guys? Welcome to Willy Bobo Life. Real quick DIY thing. Me and my wife got a couple of spares used tires a while back from some family that weren't using them, and we decided to spray paint them. This is Laguna Blue. You can buy it at Home Depot. It's Rust-Oleum for indoor and outdoor use. And today, how we're gonna make this thing, which is a tire, a pot for big old plants, is we're going to take some of the stuff you would use in your gardening bed to keep out weeds from growing up and to be able to plant your plants in it and let water through and all that stuff. We're going to use this. We're going to use a staple gun like so. We're going to staple this in real quick, and then we're going to fill it with soil, and we're going to put plants in it, and you guys will see the end result in just a few minutes, because it shouldn't be a really long project as long as you have the paint, the tire, and this stuff. So for starters, it's really hot in Texas right now, and it's actually like windy and like kind of weird feeling, but you're just gonna fold the layer in two, just like so. Take the staple gun and just start stapling to the rim of the actual inside of the tire. You want to make sure you tuck all of it in too, and you're just gonna, you don't have to be a bunch of staples, just has to be a few. Every so often, just kind of pull a little taut in the rim that you're doing. Just like that. And see, yeah, this side's done. So as long as I come over here, pull this in taut, and start this side, you should be fine. And normally, the reason why you'd want to probably do a project like this is, one, if you can find somebody just selling some tires but with no rims or something like that, and you guys have like green thumbs, and you guys want to have a pretty big pot, and the nice ceramic ones, if anybody goes to Home Depot or Lowe's, cost anywhere from $50 to $60, and you're like, well, that's one pot, but you can go on Letgo or Craigslist for way cheaper than that and pull it off. Then you can buy some tires for 30 bucks and then buy this stuff for $10 a roll, and you get yards of it, and you can just do this. And then potting soil is $10 a bag. You can probably fill 3 of these things up with that. But all you're gonna do now, since you got it all stapled in, is you're just gonna roll the inside of the tire so you don't have all this excess, because you don't want that. It looks pretty stupid, and you don't have to cut it off. So you just turn the wheel around as you go. And you're done. That's a nice pot. And we'll fill it with soil real quick. Now we're gonna add soil to the thing so I can just show you guys that this stuff does hold. And it's about halfway full, like that. Just move it around. And now we're gonna move the tire to its location, and we're gonna choose what plant we want to put in it, and we're gonna put the plants in real quick. Press the pause button, not the stop, but the pause. You know where that is? Huh? Are you recording?
Yeah.
It's okay. Alright, anyways, so this is the pot. We were originally gonna put a big aloe vera in here, but I actually have 3 aloes I'm gonna put in this thing. So this thing's gonna need a lot more, but we will end up filling this and showing you guys the after picture at the end of the video. So this is where its final location is gonna be, and you guys will see where.
So like I promised you guys at the end of that video, and just so you guys know, this footage is relatively old, but this is what we decided to do with the pots when they were full. To put all these aloe veras in them, or aloe plants in them, and we did line our driveway side with white marble rock. You can get about a 20-pound bag or more of this stuff for about $5. It's relatively cheap. And this is the same tire over the past few months since we did the project that you guys already saw us making. The sun did fade them, but that is the project. And we kind of decided to offset it with a square pot. And then here's a much bigger aloe vera with a little baby in it. That little baby right there. And it's in the same kind of pot. So that's just what we decided to do with them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY project. If you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you guys can be up to date on or informed when all the other videos like this and others come to the channel. Peace out, y'all.